Alright, so we just had a beer in the Little Duke, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you up to San Francisco, not America, San Francisco Road, and we're going to take a look at the mushrooms. There's a whole road of mushrooms. Check this building out. Absolutely beautiful architecture here. Let me get across this road. So we're going to take a walk up here. If you're coming to Alicante, just down there is the harbour marina. If you watched our videos, that's where we've walked from, and we're heading straight up this road here. I don't know the road's name, but there's a little park on my right. So I'm all doing this from memory because I've looked on Google Maps, and I can't use Google Maps whilst I'm talking to you. But yeah, we're going to take a walk down San Francisco, show you all the mushrooms, see if they've done anything nice down there, any updates. It's an absolutely beautiful little city. If you've never been to Alicante, definitely come to Alicante. You will not be disappointed. Oh, a little bit chilly in this at the moment though, and there's a little bit of a breeze here. So you've got a Rolex shop here, look at this. Oh, I thought it was a Rolex shop, but it's more of a jewellery, every bling shop, bling bling. Right, so right here, I've got to take a right. See that tree over there? And it's down one of these streets just in front of us. I want to walk in the sunshine though. I don't want this shade. Let's cross over. Get ourselves some sunshine. Oh, I've got to go back to the shade. So straight in front of you. Oh, look at that down there though. Let me just show you that. So if you've seen the videos, that's where that pigeon was, on top of the statue. We're going down Mushroom Avenue. I don't think it's called Mushroom Avenue, I'm just making that up. It's called San Francisco. I'm going to get run over. It's got an Italian restaurant right here. So yeah, these are the mushrooms of Alicante. We've got some funny faces on them. Check this one out. If you've got bubble tea here, look at that. I don't know if you've ever tried bubble tea. I haven't had one before. Look at that building though. Imagine you're living there, come out, got a beautiful Alicante beach. Sit down. That price, $9.99. Let's get past these people. Hola, buenas tardes. Okay, so they have got some new things coming. As you can see, they're wrapped up. So maybe if you come, these will be out so you can see them. Oh, check that Greek place. Very nice. So here we are in the heart of San Francisco, Alicante. Spanked her, didn't he? Give her a little spanking. Everyone deserves a little spank here and there. Shit's one with the spider on top. So I think that's the end of them. I'll quickly spin around and show you guys where we just came from. What we do, we're gonna head down. Let's go down here. Let's go down here. In Alicante, there's loads of these little areas like this where you've got lovely, massive trees. Look, that tree is ginormous. Let's go and end it over there. Look at that statue in the middle. Absolutely stunning. I think this is like has more beautiful things. Like Barcelona is absolutely stunning place as well. This I think has more little bits that are plotted around that are stunning. Barcelona has like that big park that has a zoo in it. Has like a little Arc de Triomphe. If you've never been to Barcelona, definitely go. But definitely come to Alicante as well. Everyone just uses it to get to Benidorm. But it is a beautiful place. We could have just found him was on. But guys, thanks for watching. Let's spin this round so you can see me. There we go. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. It's Wagwan Tours. Make sure you like, subscribe, and everything else in between. Hype the videos. And yeah, look at this place. Absolutely stunning. And what I'll do is I'll catch you on the very next one.